So we had 2 more to finish on the factor. Remember, we have 3 by 1 when you have 4 term. So you factor the first 3. Now in pre-calc, you'll have to move the terms around, but I don't do that in my class. So we got square, so it'll be x plus 3 plus, what am I squaring, y? X plus 3 minus, what am I squaring, y? And then the last one, factor out GCF. That's what most people forget to do. Then we have the x squared is x and x. And this one's pretty straightforward because the only factor you have is 1. Both are plus, same as the middle. Now I have the sine term, so I write it as a square. And hey kids, we just finished the second page of the final. Woohoo! So let's go to the third page. Determinant. So remember, determinant, you just go diagonal minus diagonal. So it'd be 9 minus a negative 4. So it'd be 13. Oh, that was a free one. Now we have find the slope, parallel slope, and perpendicular slope. So I want you to do the first 2 and then turn me back on. Even Ducky says we can do this. So first we have to find the slope. 12 minus 4 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Parallel slope is the same. And perpendicular, what do you do, Ducky? Ducky says, So it's take the opposite and then flip it. So it's a negative 1/2. Thank you, Ducky. So this x equals the numbers of vertical line whose slope is always undefined. So the parallel slope is also undefined. So the perpendicular negative reciprocal would be 0. Now do these 2. Freeze the video, do those 2, and then turn me back on. Okay. So this one should be very straightforward. If you had trouble with this one, you really need to get help. Now notice I'll be in school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So if you need help, find me before school or after. But anyways, the slope is 2. Parallel slope is 2. So negative 1/2. This one, solve it for y. So subtract 3x, divide by negative 5. Excuse me. I hope I'm not getting another cold. So it'd be 3/5, 3/5, perpendicular, negative 5/3. Ho ho. Now, I have 3 graphing to end the page. This one is only an equals though. Now remember, an equals has no shading. You only shade with inequalities. So this has no shading. No shading. So, the y-intercept is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slope is negative 2, so it's down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. So it'd be solid and no shading. Now, I want to see if you can do these 2. That's a 3, by the way. It's kind of dark here. See if you can do those 2, and then when you're done, turn me back on. So remember, this is a system. You got 2 of them. X in the number, vertical, it's a dashed. It's bigger than, so it's going to the right. Y in the number is horizontal. And it's smaller than, so it's below. So here we go. This one. Now, whenever it's in standard form, I just think it's so much easier to do the X and Y intercept. Do you have to? No, you could solve it for Y. Get Y by itself and then do slope intercept like this. But I just think it's so much easier to do 12 divided by 3 is 4. That's your Y-intercept. 4 goes into 12 3 times. That's your... I said that wrong. 3 goes into 12 4 times. That's your X-intercept. That's what I meant to say if I did not. And then when you divide by 4, that's your Y-intercept. I think I said that. I'm not sure. But it's equals, so it'd be solid. So let's say it one more time in case I didn't say it right. Divide by the number in front of your X. That gets you the X-intercept. Or cover this up. 3 times what is 12? X-intercept. Cover this one up for your Y-intercept. Now, I'm going to pick a ordered pair. 0, 0. Is 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 12? Like you'd say, no. So this is false, so everything on this side is false, so everything on this side is true. Hey, that wasn't too bad. We're almost done with the third page. Holy Murphy. Bye-bye.